Hi everybody, this is Linda. Welcome back to Handsthatcook. Excuse me. Tonight I'm going to make toasted almond and cranberry chicken salad. Now in this bowl I've done not very many onions. About 1/8 of a cup of onions and close to 1/2 a cup of celery, and I didn't have any fresh chicken, so I'm using chicken breast in a can. 2 of them, 2 10-ounce cans. And I'm going to add some mayonnaise. I guess that was about 2 tablespoons. I may need more, but this is all I'm putting in here. And the reason I didn't put very many onions is because onions are strong, and I didn't want them to take over my dish, my chicken salad. But you add how many you want to. You want 1/2 a cup or 1/4 of a cup, you add it. Alright, I got my onions and my celery mixed up in here. Trying to get some of the lumps out. I didn't realize this was chunky, but it was. So yeah, I'm going to add a little more mayonnaise in here. Maybe, maybe not. Alright. Now I have toasted these almonds. You can tell they're a little light brown. This was 1/2 a cup. And my cranberries, I'm going to add some of those. I saw this while I was shopping, and I thought, you know, I can make this. You can make it with any kind of nut, pecans or walnuts or whatever. Now I'm going to add well, a little bit of honey, but I can't find it. Y'all hold on. Well, y'all, I can't find it. I can't find my honey. I'm going to add a little bit of white pepper in here. That was probably about 1/2 teaspoon. And a little bit of salt. Probably about 1/2 teaspoon. I need my honey, and y'all need to remember to put that in there. Sam, do you know where the honey is?
It was right up here in this cabinet. Did you look up here?
No.
Well, I can't get over there. What is that?
Honey. Okay. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of honey in here. You don't want to get it too sweet. I've made this with pecans before, but I've never made it with almonds. Need a little bit more mayo in it. Then I'm going to make a sandwich and we're going to have Sam taste it. And then we'll be right back. Okay guys, I found my honey. I added another tablespoon or so because I tasted it and it was not, didn't have a sweet taste to it. And I added about a half a cup of the toasted almonds. Let's see. Let me cut this in half. Sammy didn't want his bread toasted. So here we go, Sam. Give it a taste. Let me...
Well, you know I like chicken salad. What's it got? Nuts in it and cranberries?
It's got almonds and cranberries and celery and onions.
Oh man, I know that's gonna be good. That's all the stuff I like in chicken salad. That's the real deal right there. That's better than that cafe across the street that specializes in
Oh, hush. Down the street, not across the street. Well, there you go, y'all.
It's delicious.
Here's my sandwich.
That's mine.
Well, I'm just showing it to them. It's good for you. I hope you try it.
That's a souped up chicken salad sandwich.
Thank you for coming in today. Like and subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, you all take care and God bless every one of you.